Today, you won't believe I'm gonna change this particular hair into a dreadlocks attachment. So from what you're seeing, this is kinky hair and we're gonna learn how to make dreadlocks attachments at home. So with that said, welcome to Janil Hair Collection, and from what you're seeing, I'll begin by loosening the kinky braids until it turns into a fluffy afro textured, and you can use a comb or a brush if you want to do this. And from what you're seeing, I'll really take my time doing this because it saves my time and effort while crafting the locks. Okay, so I love this particular kinky hair because it blends smooth and help my handmade locks to mimic the texture of real locks. Okay, so I'll be using a single crochet, which is number 9, and that is 0.8, I mean 0.85 millimeters, if you may ask, and it does a great job and it gives me control over every pull, and it builds the lock slowly and tight, not too tight, a layer by layer. Okay, and to form the lock, I'll just fold the tip part into 3. Okay, I'll fold the tip part of my lock into 3 the way you're seeing, and then I'll just place it on my second finger on my left hand. Okay, and to control every pull and twist, I'll just be using my thumb to twist over after every pull. Okay, I do hope you understand. And to form the lock, I'll just use a repeated motion with my crochet in and out. Okay, so I'll just insert the needle, then pull some hair out and slightly block uh, I'll pull some hair out slightly, then block it with my thumb, and this will help to tangle inside, and that is how it helps to form the lock. And then again, I'll jab it again and grab a different part of hair, block it again with my thumb. So it's just a repeated process. Okay, so I do craft this in a special way. I'm not doing this too tight, okay, so that it will enable me to install this smoothly. And I'll just use my hook crochet, and since I didn't do this too tight, the hook crochet that I'll be using to do the installation is gonna move smoothly in the lock, so that it will just tag your natural hair. So I've been doing this, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below so that you can see how I do attach these handmade locks on natural hair, and I do hope you can give it a try. Up to this point, I do hope you can give this a try. You can share it with a friend. Comment below the video. Let me know your experience. And again, if you're gonna try this for the first time, it's not gonna be easy for you because your hands are not used to it. So uh, you need to do more practice. Do it over and over and over again until your hands gonna get used to it, and it will be smooth for you to make the locks. But for the first time, you'll find you're gonna be sticking your fingers, but yeah, you're gonna learn from that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching up to this point. Share this with a friend who love uh handmade dreadlocks. You can check my store for crafted locks. Yeah, so leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this, or if you are a loctician, let me know your experience doing this. Do you love to use a single crochet like me? Do you love to use a double one, or I've seen there are some crochet that have 3 hooks, so share with me your experience in the comment section below this video.